Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with Fonearena.com, and what we have here is the Nvidia Shield wireless controller. Yes, you may have already seen the unboxing of the Nvidia Shield tablet that is supposed to come with the controller. We did buy the controller, but it shipped late, so unfortunately we got it just now. But of course, we're going to unbox it and show you how it is. This is easily one of the best controllers for Android tablets out there. It connects via Wi-Fi direct, it connects to the Shield tablet, and in the console mode that the Shield has, which can connect the Shield tablet to the TV. You can use this and play console quality games thanks to the Tegra K1 powered Nvidia Shield. So anyway, we're gonna unbox this and show you the controller, and of course show you even a quick demo of how it works with the Shield tablet. So let's go ahead into the unboxing of the Nvidia Shield wireless controller. So let's go ahead and look at the box. You can obviously see the full controller over at the top. We hope it's not that huge because it does look huge in the picture there. Lots of Nvidia and Shield branding on the sides and the top, but over at the back you have the feature highlights which says you have console grade controls. That is true because the dual analog sticks are really good, pretty much modeled against the Xbox controller with the XYAB setup, the D-pad and all that. Of course, the D-pad is like the PS4 controllers, it's on the sides, not at the position that the Xbox has. So anyway, looking at the other feature highlights, you have stereo headset jack with chat, we hope that's inside. And you have ultra responsive Wi-Fi performance, which means that it operates over Wi-Fi direct with very low latency, so it will work fast. And of course, interestingly, you have microphone for voice search. This is interesting because this is just a controller, but thankfully you can have voice commands and activate stuff over voice because this is going to be used as a controller from the couch. The tablet will be away and there will be not many controls to use your tablet from here. Of course, you can navigate the tablet using these controls. You can have the home, back and the options here. You can also directly go to the Shield hub and go to the games that you have already installed, but you can't do searches or anything else because this is not a keyboard. So obviously you need voice, and that's something Nvidia has taken care of with the mic here. Very interesting. We'll see how the implementation is though. But let's open up the box and take a look at the controller right away. So that's the box there. Let's see how it comes out. And there you go, that's the controller, and yes, it does look pretty huge, but is very comfortable in the hands. My hands are huge, so don't judge based on my hand size because this is very easy for me, and it's very high quality and premium. Just seconds after I touch it, I can feel that it's very high quality. You have the protective covers here, I don't know why. So let's quickly take a walkthrough of this controller, the gorgeous Shield controller. So this is the size, which should be very good for Americans because almost all of them have huge hands, but not much for the rest of the countries. Japanese definitely not. But I think the specific market is different. This is not a console specific market. This is a mobile specific market, meaning it should be good for all. So that's the controller. They are pretty huge, as you can see. You have got a lot of pretty much the exact same controls as the console controllers. You've got the XYAB, you've got the home, back, and the Nvidia Shield, or rather the play button. I don't know what the button does. And of course the touch-based Nvidia Shield thing, which turns on and of course connects to the tablet if the tablet is on. The D-pad, the dual analog sticks, and of course the trigger buttons over at the back. They are very tactile and they perform really well. I can tell you that this is high quality just by the looks of it, but even the feel is pretty good. And of course over at the top you have the micro USB controller, which you can connect to directly to the Shield tablet and charge this. And of course you can connect this to the power outlet and charge too. This has a rechargeable battery. Nvidia refuses to share the details what the mAh capacity is, but we hope it's big enough because the controller looks huge, and we hope there is a big battery inside. There is also the 3.5mm audio jack here. So let's take a look at the box contents again. You have the USB cable. This is to use with the controller. And of course, you have the bunch of booklets and nothing else. That's about it. There is no headset or anything else. This is a support guide and of course the user manual, a quick start guide. Let's take a quick look at the quick start guide here, because this is of course the first time we are using the controller. So the step 1 in English, of course, is to connect the controller. Just run the Shield wireless controller app on your Android device. That's as easy as it looks. So the Shield controller was apparently out of charge. We have charged it now, and now we are going to connect the Shield controller to the Shield tablet, and all you have to do is just click on the Shield wireless thing here. It awaits for the signal. So as you can see, the screen is a bit reflective, but you can see that it wants the light on this to blink. So for that, we're going to just hold on it, and there you go. That's about it. That's it for the connection, and you can see the cursor here. Let me zoom in a little, because I don't think you would need the thing anymore. You can see the cursor here. That cursor is being moved by the right analog stick here. You can see the right analog stick here. That moves the cursor. So that's the Shield controller working on this tablet. You can see that it can basically do anything. For example, if you want to go into the menu, it can do that. If I want to go back home, I have controls for that. This is home, so it goes back to home. And there is the shortcut for the Shield apps. So if you have any apps installed, you can obviously go to the this thing and like select and like do whatever you want. So that's the thing here. So let's anyway show you a game which obviously will be better. So you can see apps like Twitch and Trine already installed. So these are made for Tegra, made for gamers specifically. So that's one cool thing about Nvidia. It's a game company. They produce GPUs and they are completely into gaming. So that's how it is. So anyway, I'm going to play this with the controller. You can see that it's made for Nvidia Tegra. It's Trine 2, a very popular platformer game. Trine is a very popular game, and this time on a tablet, Trine 2. Look at the graphics, you'll be very impressed. This is the graphics that you get with Trine. So I'm gonna just press start. Some unbelievable graphics and textures there. You're gonna love it. So I'm gonna just skip this. Alright, there you go. That's the graphics. You can see I'm just pushing around some box there. I don't know how to play this. I'm not sure. Just gonna break it if I can. Alright, so yeah, I'm just moving around to see if I can show you something. There you go. A lot of lighting, the effects, everything looks very cool on the Nvidia Tegra K1. This is a 192 core GPU that's desktop class, and it really shows. It looks fabulous. You can see the lighting, the texture, everything looks wonderful. And we hope developers take advantage of this platform and show us better games, much better games with graphics and all that. So anyway, that was just a quick walkthrough of this. You can I'm just gonna try throwing it on myself and see. Apparently you can't. Alright. So anyway, that was a quick look at the Shield controller and the gameplay. You can just see me playing again anyway. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, that's the controller in the works. And if you are really looking at something very focused on gaming on the Android side, then definitely the Shield tablet plus the controller with its with its HDMI output, you can basically play this console quality game on your TV and use this controller. So it works really well. It also has the PC remote thing that connects to the PC, and you can even play PC games with this, with the controller. Of course, if you're like a fan of a lot of PC games, then you can obviously use this controller and play them on the tablet. So pretty much a portable console, this Shield tablet. We'll definitely let you know more on the gaming side on the Shield tablet. So stay tuned to the YouTube channel. Do check out our other videos and also hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button here if you want more videos like these. Thanks for watching.